Good morning, students. Now in chapter 13, surface areas and volume. Next exercise is exercise 13.7. In this exercise, we are going to learn about volume of a right circular cone. So right circular cone its base is circle and radius of base r, d is equal to 2r, where d is the diameter of the base, l is the slant height, h is the height, and angle between h and r is 90 degree. Clear? So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. We know that volume of cylinder is pi r square h and volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we can say that volume of cylinder is 3 times volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is equal to 3 into volume of cone. Clear? So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now see the questions related to volume of the cone. So first example is the height of cone is 15 centimeter. If the volume is 1570 centimeter cube, find the radius of the base. Pi is equal to 3.14. So here height of cone h is 15 centimeter given. Volume of cone is 1570 centimeter cube given. And we know that volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 1570. You can write. So put the value of pi and h. Then 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square into 15 is equal to 1570. Now solve this portion. Then you can find radius. So r square is equal to 100. So r will be 10 centimeter. So radius of cone is 10 centimeter is the answer. Clear? Now second question. The volume of right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of base is 28 centimeter, find height of the cone, slant height of the cone, curved surface area of the cone. Clear? So diameter of cone is 28, so its radius will be 28 upon 2 will be equal to 14 centimeter. Now volume of cone is given 9856 centimeter cube. So 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 9856. Now put the value of pi and r. Then you can find h. So h is equal to 48 centimeter. Height of the cone is 48 centimeter. Now slant height L. We know that L is equal to root r square plus h square. Then put the value of r and h and solve. Then you can find slant length. So slant length L is equal to 50 centimeter is the answer. And in third part we have to find curved surface area of the cone. So put the value, we know that curved surface area of cone is pi r l. So put the value of pi r and l and calculate it. Then you can find curved surface area of the cone. Clear? Now see next question. A right triangle ABC with side 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. Use pi is equal to 3.14. So when right angle triangle ABC is revolved about side 12 centimeter, then the solid form is a cone of height. So firstly see here, a right angle triangle ABC its hypotenuse is 13 centimeter given, one side is 5 centimeter given, and third side is 12 centimeter given. Now this triangle is revolved about 12 centimeter side, then figure formed will be a cone this type. Clear? And its slant height will be 13, height will be 12, and radius of base will be 5 centimeter. Clear? So height will be 12 centimeter, radius will be 5, and slant height will be 13. Now volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. Put the value of r and h and calculated it, then you can find its volume. Clear? Now next question, a heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height 3 meter. Find its volume. The heap of the covered by canvas to be protected it from rain. Find the areas of the canvas required. So a heap of wheat is in the form of cone. So height of heap is 3 meter, h is equal to 3 meter. Diameter is 10.5, so its radius will be 10.5 upon 2 will be equal to 5.25. Clear? So volume of heap 1/3 pi r square h. Put the value and calculate, then you have volume of the heap. Now therefore the volume of the heap of wheat is itna 86.625 meter cube. So area of canvas required means curved surface area of the cone, which will be equal to pi r l, and we know that L is equal to root r square plus h square. See here again, L is equal to root r square plus h square. So in place of L, write root r square plus h square. Now put the value of r and h and calculate it, then you can find curved surface area of the cone, which is equal to the canvas required to cover the heap of wheat. Clear? So this is the answer. 99.825 meter square is the answer. Okay students, now you have to solve exercise 13.7 with example. Okay students, thank you.